Hey everyone, this is Trainboy70. Today I'm gonna unbox Tomy Plarail Golden Thomas. That's an 80th edition of Thomas and Friends since 1945. It was released in 2025. So here's the front, the top, side, the other side, the bottom, and the back. It shows how to put a battery inside Golden Thomas. I got this at North Farm, Michigan at the train show. So I'm going to unbox it. So here are my tools. Here we have AA batteries and some scissors. I'm going to unbox Tomy Plarail Golden Thomas off camera, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. As you can see, I just unboxed Tomy Plarail Golden Thomas. So let's take a look at Golden Thomas. Here we have Thomas. On top of Thomas, it says 80th anniversary on it. The Golden Thomas who came with Golden Annie and Quettabelle. So we have Andy and Quettabelle. On the side, it says Thomas 80th anniversary on Andy and Quettabelle. And now let's get Tomy Plarail Golden Thomas a test one. Well, that is a great test one of Tomy Plarail Golden Thomas. Well guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Send a comment, press the like button, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys enjoy unboxing, review, and test one of Tomy Plarail Golden Thomas. And we'll see you in the next video.